Hi guys, today we're gonna tie a small baitfish fly. This one is tied with some Nayat here. I've used a SA280, a small sharp saltwater hook. It's a little bit heavy, but perfect for this pattern because it gives the right angle in the water when you fish it. You can fish it fast without it breaking the surface. So this one I use for sea trout here in Scandinavia. I have used it for steelhead on the beach of Lake Steelhead in the Michigan areas, Lake Erie. Really nice fly, and the Nayat is easy to handle. You can cut it in every shape you want. So let's give this a try. I start with a little bit of bucktail. Use something in the middle or in the armpits, nice and soft. Then I'm going to use a bit of topping for the body. Brush it out to give the body some volume. And then I'm gonna take my Nayat here. I'm gonna remove the longest fibers. It's often the most stiff one. Nice for bigger flies, but the small baitfish, we don't need that stiff ones. Also gonna remove the under hair here, and then I'm gonna take and try to taper it a bit, and then I'm gonna tie it in reverse. Like this. Use to get the fibers apart from each other. Gonna secure it with a little bit of super glue. And then I'm gonna take some Nayat in tan, some light brown. You could use whatever color you want for the back of this fly. I like it in this and also in gray, olive, also nice. We do exactly the same here. And again, gonna secure it with a bit of super glue. Then we're gonna color our thread a bit with a marker. And again, some super glue. And then we're gonna add on some eyes. I use 3mm for this fly. And then we're just gonna make the head with some UV resin. I used the Golf Classic. It's easy to handle and not too thin, so it will go into the fibers too much. I'll give it a little bit on the upper side and under, and then afterwards it will have all around the eyes, and I will make the right shape on the head. And then actually the fly is finished. If you have some fibers, you can easily cut them away or into the right shape. Those fibers here on the Nayat is so thin, and it's easy to cut them without the messing up the shape of your fly. So like this, give it a try. It will be useful for a lot of species out there.